In this video, we're going to look at how to use sound boxes, also called Elkonin boxes, to help beginning readers hear the sounds in words. Sound boxes help students break words into individual sounds. Each box represents one sound. The word cat has 3 sounds. Students say each sound as they move across the boxes. Start by saying the word clearly and ask students to repeat it. Stretch the word so students can hear each sound. K, a, t. As students say each sound, they tap or point to a box. K, a, t. After identifying the sounds, students can write the letters that represent each sound. Let's try another word. First, say the word map. Next, stretch the sounds. M, a, p. Now, we'll tap each box as we say the sounds and then write the letters. M, a, p. It's important to remember that each box represents a sound, not a letter. For example, even though the word ship has 4 letters, it still has 3 sounds. Sh, I, p. Sound boxes help students develop the skills they need to decode words. They directly build the foundation skills that decoding depends on. Sound boxes work because they train the ear, known as phonemic awareness, connect sounds to letters, known as phonics, and build the exact process students use to decode words. Consistently working with sound boxes builds automaticity, which leads to fluency. Sound boxes don't just teach reading, they build the brain pathways needed for reading to stick. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe. In the next videos, I'll be sharing more Science of Reading phonics lessons.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more engaging literacy videos.